In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to GMGN. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up GMGN. Then go to the top right and select on this connect button like so. Then go ahead and select on sign in with wallet, which we need to do in order to actually use Phantom Wallet. And you will notice that, yep, Phantom Wallet will appear right over here. However, you guys could use any other wallet that you may have. So we also do have an option for MetaMask, Bidget, and there's a bunch of other options that you guys can go ahead and use. But for this video, I'm just going to be using Phantom Wallet like so. And I already do have Phantom Wallet on my PC. I do have the browser extension. However, you could do the exact same process using your mobile device, but obviously you're going to be on your phone. But all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and enter in your password. All right, once you're done with that, it is going to give you something that looks like this. It will say connect right over here, and then it will give you the name of your account. So just make sure that everything is correct. Make sure that you're using the right account. And once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on connect like so. And then there you go. We will now get something that does look like this. So it is going to say fail to simulate because obviously this is a new platform and I never used it before on this wallet. So it is kind of giving me like a warning of some sort. But anyways, once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on confirm. And as we're able to tell, we are now connected with our wallet. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.